Alright guys, doing an install of this Talon grip for the Canik TP9 SC. Make sure the gun's empty, and it is. Alright, so the install is pretty straightforward. We just have to clean it a little bit. So, on the grip, on the sides, so guys, if you don't like it, you can always move it around. This one wasn't lined up that great. I'm gonna try to do it from the back side first, then work my way to the front. feels so much better already. All right, guys. Now you just gotta blow dry it. Go side to side, up and down. Do it 4 or 5 times. Make sure everything's snug each time. So, don't know how to put this on. I'm happy with it. Okay. And just go around the edges, make sure everything's nice and tight. And just, you know, repeat this process. See, like right here. And I'm putting on the pinky extension grip tape. Sorry. All right, so like the same process, guys, with the blow dryer 4 or 5 times, or maybe this a couple times, and you're pretty much good to go, guys. So that's the install with the Talon grip. I highly recommend this product. Have it in all my guns. They're really cheap, really good quality. And if you guys like these videos, you guys know the deal, like, comment, subscribe. I could have did a little better, but whatever. Satisfied with it.